Welcome to the Assistive Technology and Universal Design for Learning Loan Library. We believe in the power of technology to help all students achieve high academic standards. As part of the Florida's MTSS projects, the online resource library is designed to help districts and schools implement a universal, differentiated core curriculum based on the Florida best standards. The assistive technologies available in this library can be used to identify which technologies will best support students with disabilities to participate and progress in this core curriculum. The Universal Design for Learning technologies can be used to identify effective instructional pedagogies that support highly effective learning environments. Accounts are only available to individuals approved by district ESE directors and staff members of the Bureau of Exceptional Student Education discretionary projects. The Assistive Technology and Universal Design for Learning Loan Library tutorial series will take part in 6 episodes. Episode 1, First Time Logging In and Overview. 2, Making an Order. 3, Comparing Items. 4, Writing a Product Review. 5, Unpacking an Order. 6, Packing an Order for Return. Episode 5, Unpacking an Order. In this episode, we will cover what's in the box, which includes unpacking and packing infographic, kit component checklist, FedEx return label, items ordered, and we'll wrap up with some best practices. You just received your order and you opened your box. The first thing you should see is this infographic. Help us keep things safe. Let's take a look at the first picture. Here we can see a return label. Above the return label will be the kit component checklist. And on top of the kit component checklist will be this infographic. Let's take everything out of the box. In this picture here, you can see the item ordered, the return label, and a kit component checklist. You're going to want to take everything out and put it on the table and empty the contents out of the tote box so that you can verify that everything was received. Let's take a closer look at the kit component checklist. Here is the kit component checklist that will be included in each and every order. The first item on the kit component checklist is the order number. This is the order number for the order that you have just received. Next to it will be the kit number or numbers for each of the technology or accessory items that were included in this order. Next to that is the due date. That is the date the item is due back at the distribution center. If you have any questions or issues with the kit, please contact the office indicated below. There are 2 check boxes. The box with the check mark is the distribution center in which the kit was shipped from. There are 2 centers, the Port Orange Distribution Center and the Hollywood Distribution Center. The main portion of the kit component checklist is indicated here. Under the sent column, that will be initialed by the person who packed up your order for delivery from the corresponding distribution center indicated above. The quantity column will indicate the number of items included. The item will list the item and all of the accessories. For example, it might even include an earbud and even a USB charging cord. In the receive column, this is where you will initial each and every item listed to confirm receipt of the items delivered. We will return back to the kit component checklist after the student trial. Let's take a quick look at some best practices. First, it's recommended that you keep the original shipping package your kit arrived in. This will make the return process simpler. Also, please keep the attached kit component checklist. These are to ensure you have received all the correct items as well as ensure all of the components are in the box upon return. Finally, make sure you save the FedEx return label. You will need this to return the order back to us. Thank you for watching Episode 5, Unpacking an Order. And we look forward to seeing you at a future episode.